Grab my tracer pen and then we'll turn the camera around. There it is. So now I can see it fits really well, but there's a couple of spots here. About here. Right at that fold. And the maximum point in. Like that. Okay. About over here, I believe. Somewhere. About here. Yeah, you get the picture. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Now, let me trim this off. Maybe I can get my scissors off for that. Maybe. Try that. This side. That might be too tight to get the aluminum one in here. But I don't know that quite yet. Okay, not here. I want to run with that. I think that's going to work. So I'm just going to run with it. It'll look like from this side now. Plenty of room to get the transmission bolts out. You can get your fingers down in here. Yeah, it's going to work out perfect. Because you gotta, when you position your motor in these, make sure you leave enough room so you can get your transmission bolts out or something. You know, I do anyway. Maybe you don't have to. And then, yeah. Alright. Now what we're going to do next is I'm going to get that piece of aluminum over there and lay it flat out the table outside. I'm not going to film that because it's so cold out there. I don't want to bring the camera out there. It's not a cold camera. I'm going to lay this on the top of it like this. I got to make sure, you got to make sure you do one thing though, which I'm forgetting about right now. This is outside. Outside. So what I do is I lay the flat piece of aluminum on the table, and I lay this side facing down on that, and then I trace it out, and then I cut from the back side with the jigsaw so you don't scrape up the front. And I got a tarp on top of the table, you know, and I'll take you outside there for a second when I get it set up. So let's put this thing on pause right now, and then I'll show you that, and I'm gonna put you back in the shed here for now. And then when I get it cut out and set here, then I'll bring it back on board here, you know, because I'm sure there's gonna be some trimming we got to do around the edges and, you know, stuff like that to make it all, you know. And then down here, you can see I'm gonna have to build a triangular piece of something, you know. I could cut this off at an angle, but I don't know if that would look stupid. I think that would look stupid if I cut that off at an angle. I think it's better for me to build this in, because from the side it's going to look stupid. So it's probably best if I build this in with a triangular piece of steel later. But I'll do that after I get the box done, because all this material is for the box I'm going to build, and then I'll have scrap pieces, and I'll use those scrap pieces to build them in. So once I get this firewall built and bolted in today, and then if we got enough time, we're going to build the rods that go from here across to the firewall. They're the upper rods that support the radiator shelf from tipping back. Okay? So, and they crush nice when you hit a deer. So, but yeah. So there it is for right now. I'll take you in for a quick look. Looks like that'll work. But again, if I lower you down, you can see how stupid that would look if I left it like that, you know. So later on I'm going to have to build a triangular body piece, you know, and to fill that in. Then it'll look okay. So yeah, so let's leave it as that for now. I'm going to put this baby on pause and get set up outside, and then jigsaw, and then jigsaw. Then when I'm done, I'll jigsaw some more. And then when I think I'm done with that, then I'll jigsaw some more until we get this thing fit properly. Okay? See you soon. Alright, so this is what we got going. We got ourselves a jigsaw, some blades, don't forget the safety glasses, and then we got ourselves, now this is face down, the polished side is down, you know, the ribs. This is polished aluminum diamond plate, so there's our firewall. So now let's save the template yet. Let's don't throw that out quite yet. Set that in here. And then we'll go back outside here now that I got the phone in the wrong hand. Now there's a couple pieces of cardboard that were hanging out. So I'm going to make assumption lines. this way. I didn't like this little triangular piece that was in here, so let's get rid of that. Okay. And then that edge went to that edge. Alright. Well, let's hope. Now this is the crucial part. I got to cut on the inside of the line because the mark was made on the outside of the template. So I wonder why I got such a big bump there. Well, we're going to take our chances by taking that out. And I'm probably doing the wrong thing right now. Sometimes you got to trust your template. Well, there it is. So I'm not going to show this part sitting here cutting this, okay, because it's cold outside here. It's about 30 degrees, I guess. So I'm going to sit here and cut this, and then when I get her done, I'll bring her in and we'll try to fit it. Okay? Alright, I got that piece cut now, but I haven't fit it yet. I swear to God, I just gonna make some marks. I want to make some marks on where things are at here. There's that. There's that one. There's that. There's that. That. There we go. Okay. This one. Now, ouch. And we gotta make dotted ones. Down bigger thing. And I'm sure I'll forget how to decipher that. So, go down once, those three. Down. Okay. I believe I got a mark good enough. Do I? Yeah, don't know. Coming up. Well, now let's see if it fits. Here we go. If it fits, I'm going to keep it on there. Huh, look at that. It fits a little short on the top here. Well, what am I going to put on there? It's a big billboard. It's huge. Let's take you for a tour here. Well, what did that straighten that up? You got enough room down there to get to the transmission bolts. You know, once this is all bolted down, you can see that there's clearly enough room. You know, got a burr on there yet. Oh, I got that cleaned up in there. Okay. Well, let's look from the front there. What's it look from the distance here? Interesting. Okay. Well, I'll put you guys on pause for a minute here. I got to go outside and clean everything up. Looks like I got a shower that's coming. So, put you on pause here again. Alright, so there it is. Now, I'm going to do a separate video on bolting this up. I'm going to use stainless steel carriage bolts like this, you know, every so often. And that's how we're going to fasten it. So, anyway, that concludes this video for now. I think it looks okay once I get some molding around it and yeah, various things. It'll look really good. Maybe I should put a sign on it, this space for rent or something. Anyway, okay, take care guys. Please like and subscribe. And have a good day. I guess I should show you. Yeah, maybe you can't. Yeah, you can't really see it, I guess. From the inside. Oh well. Well guys, please like and subscribe, and then I'll show you the finished product when I get her done. So, okay, thanks guys. Take care. Bye-bye.